Traders and investors, listen up. We've got a stock that's been flying under the radar but might not stay that way for long. We're talking about Hoth Therapeutics, Inc., and the NASDAQ Hoth, a biotech company with some serious potential. Now, I know biotech stocks can be volatile, but HOTH is one to watch closely. It's got a lineup of innovative treatments covering cancer, Alzheimer's, inflammatory diseases, and even dermatology. And when a small-cap biotech like this starts gaining traction, things can move fast. So let's break it all down. What's happening with Hoth, what the technicals are saying, and why Wall Street might be paying close attention. First, let's get a quick snapshot of HOTH, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker HOTH, currently priced at around $1.17 per share market cap, just 15.383 million, which means a low float and the potential for big moves. Average daily volume, 9.4 million shares, but we've seen recent spikes, and that's something to keep an eye on. For a company working on treatments in multiple billion-dollar markets, that's a setup worth noting. Now let's talk charts. If you're into technical analysis, you'll want to hear this. Hoth has been forming what looks like a falling wedge pattern, and if you know your patterns, you know that's typically a bullish reversal signal. The stock has pulled back, sweeping liquidity to the downside, but it looks like it could be gearing up for a breakout. A few key levels to watch. Resistance at $1.40 to $1.50. That's the range where the last attempt to rally got rejected. If we clear that zone, things could get interesting fast. The RSI is sitting around 59, meaning we're right in neutral territory. There's plenty of room for upside before we hit overbought conditions. Volume has been increasing, and we all know that's a major factor in spotting early breakouts. So what's the potential upside? Well, a clean break past $1.50 could send this stock much higher, especially considering its small market cap. All right, so what's going on fundamentally? Why is Hoth starting to pop up on traders' radars? Over the last few weeks, we've had some solid news drops, and in biotech, news can be a major catalyst. March 10th, 2025, Hoth announced plans to submit an expanded access application for HT-001, one of its lead treatments. This is a big deal because it means the company is giving cancer patients early access to this drug, something regulators take seriously. March 5th, 2025, positive trial data for HT-001 in treating EGFR inhibitor-associated skin disorders. This was presented at a major dermatology conference, meaning it's on the industry's radar. March 4th, 2025. Research revealed that Hoth's GDNF-based treatment could be groundbreaking for obesity and fatty liver disease. That opens up an entirely new market. February 10th, 2025. The company partnered with OnTargetX R&D to advance HT-KIT, a potential cancer breakthrough targeting the c-KIT pathway. So, what does all this mean? Well, biotech stocks live and die by their pipelines, and HOTH is making steady progress. It's not just a single drug company, it has a diversified lineup of treatments, and that's what sets it apart from many other small-cap biotechs. There are a lot of biotech companies out there, but here's what makes Hoth different: a broad pipeline. This isn't a one-trick pony. Hoth is developing treatments across oncology, neurology, dermatology, and metabolic diseases. Big research partnerships. They're working with top institutions like George Washington University, Virginia Commonwealth University, North Carolina State, and Weill Cornell Medicine. That gives them serious credibility. Faster execution. Unlike massive biotech firms that take years to move, smaller companies like Hoth can push forward at a much faster pace. And then there's the BioLexa platform, a phase 1 treatment targeting eczema. But here's the interesting part. It doesn't just treat symptoms, it targets the root cause. If that works as expected, Hoth could be sitting on a game changer in dermatology. What's next? Can Hoth break out? We're seeing signs of a potential reversal, and if it breaks key resistance at $1.40 to $1.50, we could see a serious move. A biotech company with multiple catalysts, trial results, new research, and partnerships are all driving investor interest. Analyst projections are bullish, with some suggesting a potential 339% long-term upside. Now, I'm not saying it's going to explode overnight, but the ingredients are there for a big move if momentum kicks in. So what do you think? Is Hoth setting up for a breakout, or is it still in wait-and-see mode? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you subscribe to DexWire News and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching this featured presentation on Hoth Therapeutics by DexWire News. We'll see you in the next video.